Best boats comparison. Fishing boats are essential tools for anglers seeking to enhance their fishing experience, whether on lakes, rivers, or coastal waters. With advancements in materials, design, and features, modern fishing boats offer improved durability, portability, and specialized accessories. To help consumers make informed decisions, list number Intex Excursion Inflatable Boat Series includes deluxe 54-inch boat oars. The Intex Excursion Inflatable Boat Series is a budget-friendly fishing boat designed for recreational anglers. Made from super tough PVC, it offers excellent durability, abrasion resistance, and impact protection. With a spacious design that accommodates up to 4 adults, this boat is equipped with adjustable seats, fishing rod holders, and stainless steel D-rings for gear storage. Its included accessories, boat oars, high-output pump, and repair patch, make it a convenient all-in-one package for casual outings. In our testing, the Excursion performed well for calm water fishing and leisure activities. The dual Boston valves facilitated quick inflation and deflation, while the welded oar locks provided secure rowing. However, its performance in choppy waters was less stable due to its lightweight construction. While the PVC material is durable, it may not hold up against prolonged exposure to sharp objects or rugged conditions. This boat is ideal for beginner anglers or families looking for an affordable and easy-to-use fishing vessel. List number Intex 68309 EP Excursion Pro K2 Inflatable Kayak Set. The Intex Excursion Pro K2 is a mid-range inflatable kayak designed for anglers and adventurers. Its 3-ply laminate construction and super tough PVC ensure superior durability and resistance to abrasion and impact. The kayak features adjustable bucket seats, removable skegs for improved maneuverability, and ample storage space in the bow and stern. With a weight capacity of 400 pounds, it is suitable for solo or tandem use, making it versatile for various fishing and recreational scenarios. During testing, the Excursion Pro K2 excelled in stability and maneuverability, especially in deeper waters. The high-pressure inflation added rigidity, allowing for smooth paddling and better control. The included GoPro mount was a nice touch for capturing fishing adventures. However, its weight, 44.7 pounds, made transportation slightly cumbersome compared to other models. This kayak is best suited for anglers who prioritize stability and durability over portability. List number 10-foot dinghy boats. The GZKYYLEGS 10-foot dinghy boat is a robust inflatable fishing kayak designed for versatility and durability. Constructed from 3-layer 0.6mm thickened PVC, it offers resistance to UV rays, oil stains, and punctures. The boat features a drop-stitch air floor for added stability and strength, along with detachable inflatable cushions for comfort. With a maximum load capacity of 1,248 pounds, it can accommodate 4 individuals, 2 adults and 2 children, making it ideal for family outings. In our tests, the GZKYYLEGS dinghy boat proved to be highly stable and capable of handling rough waters. Its 3 independent air chambers and quadruple overlap seams provided excellent safety and durability. The ability to mount an outboard motor added versatility for longer trips. However, the boat's assembly process was slightly time-consuming, and its bulkier design made it less portable. This model is perfect for anglers seeking a sturdy and safe vessel for challenging environments. List 4. Pelican Pedalo Monaco DLX Angler. The Pelican Pedalo Monaco DLX Angler is a pedal-powered fishing boat designed for comfort and convenience. Made from patented Ram X material, it boasts high impact resistance and durability. With seating for up to 5 individuals and a maximum weight capacity of 775 pounds, this boat is perfect for group outings. It includes molded seats with adjustable backrests, a built-in cooler storage compartment, and 2 flush mount rod holders for fishing enthusiasts. During our review, the Monaco DLX Angler impressed with its comfort and storage options. The foldable canopy provided excellent sun protection, while the pedal-powered design allowed for hands-free fishing. However, its heavier weight, 113.8 pounds, made transportation challenging, and it is less suitable for solo use. This boat is ideal for families or groups looking for a relaxing and feature-rich fishing experience. List 5. Dama Triple Chamber SUP Inflatable Stand. The Dama Triple Chamber SUP is a premium inflatable paddleboard designed for fishing enthusiasts. Constructed from high-quality PVC fabric with UV treatment, it offers excellent durability and resistance to wear. The board features 3 removable fins, 2 fishing rod holders, and a kayak paddle for versatile use. With a weight capacity of 330 pounds, it is suitable for solo fishing trips and provides ample space for gear storage. In testing, the Dama SUP delivered exceptional stability and maneuverability, thanks to its wide design and high-pressure inflation. The fishing rod holders and elastic belt added convenience for anglers. Its lightweight construction, 9 kilograms, made transportation easy, though its smaller weight capacity may limit use for heavier individuals or additional gear. This paddleboard is ideal for solo anglers seeking portability and premium features.